Hi guys, good morning to you and everyone and friend. I'm Sheila Libares. I'm here today to show you Calamay product.
And these are the ingredients of calamay. 6 pieces na gata ng niyog. And 2 and 1/2 giniling na malagkit. And 6 kilong brown sugar. And 10 pieces na kinayog na niyog. Una, lutuin muna ang kinayog na niyog habang hinahalo ng walang tigil. After 1 hour, sunod ilagay ang malagkit na nakababad sa gata. Haluin ulit ito ng walang tigil hanggang sa wala ka nang nakikitang buo-buo. After 2 hours, ilagay ang brown sugar at haluin ulit ito hanggang sa maluto na ito. Pagkatapos, mano-mano itong pinipitpit ng pabilog at ilalagay muna sa tray. And these are the result in making calamay. And I want to show you calamay product. Calamay is the product of Candon City, Ilocos Sur. The combination of calamay is the coconut calamay, give its own taste and satisfaction in enjoying calamay. That are different products available in Tablac Trade Center. Calamay is also available in the various flavor, including brown calamay and the special calamay. Do you have a bad taste? Calamay is the solution. Which Philippines calamay, it will make your taste better. The various way to enjoy this calamay that it can be eating directly. Ang calamay ay isa sa pinaka-the best na produkto dito sa Candon, Ilocos Sur. At ito din ay the best din pang pasalubong at kilala rin ang calamay sa Candon City dahil sa sariling version nito na may natatanging lasa. Sa 100 pesos mo, meron ka ng 3 balot ng calamay. Sa isang balot ng calamay, merong lamang itong 6 na piraso. You can enjoy this calamay with anytime and anywhere you want.
Try now this product proven and tasted.
Take it easy, you can get calamay at your Tablac, Candon City.